Okay guys, welcome to my channel. And then on this first series, okay, this series is going to be about HTML. Okay, so with HTML you can build websites. So websites like Amazon, Google, no sorry, Amazon, Google is a search engine, so Amazon, bbc.co.uk, and then Microsoft.com. So okay, those websites and all the websites were written in HTML. Okay, so it's a markup language used to develop websites. And guys, get this thing straight: HTML is not a programming language. So if you write HTML code, well, you're a programmer, okay, but you're not writing a program. You're not writing a programming language. Well, I don't know how to put it, but HTML is not and will never ever be a programming language. So the fact that you are writing HTML doesn't mean you are writing a programming language. Okay, it's a markup language. Okay, HTML is a coding language but not a programming language. When we say a programming language, it's a language that has the ability to do loops. For example, like for loops, else, while loops, and the rest. So if you're from C++, C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, Python background, just know that HTML is very different from all those languages. Okay, HTML is not a programming language. It's a markup language used for developing websites. Okay, so we're going to just jump straight in. So with HTML you need only two things: your web browser and then a code editor. What is a code editor? Well, a code editor is something like Notepad. Okay, you just open and then you just write what you want to write in. That's it. But in this case we will not be using Notepad because we have code editors specially designed for programming. Okay, so you can head over to code.visualstudio.com and then download Visual Studio Code. But here I already have Visual Studio Code. Sorry, I already have Visual Studio Code installed, so we just jump right in. And remember, I'm on a Kali Linux environment, so maybe you are on Windows, maybe you are on Ubuntu. You should Google and learn how to install Visual Studio Code on your machine or any other code editor you want. We have Atom, we have Sublime Text, and what have you. So as I said, your web browser and then your code editor. I'm on Kali Linux, so default is Mozilla Firefox. So I have my Mozilla Firefox browser over here. So well, if you're using Google Chrome, that's great because Chrome is up to date. Okay, and then Visual Studio Code is what I'm going to use. So if you're on a Linux environment, well, you should just Google how to install Chrome on your environment, and also the Visual Studio Code on the environment, or any code editor of your choice. Okay, so you choose your browser and then you choose your code editor. But just know that you need to have a code editor, you need to have a browser. Okay, and then learn how to install all those applications on the environment. So I will not be covering those in this tutorial, right? So see you guys in the next video where I start installing Kali Linux Visual Studio Code on Kali Linux, so that we continue with the series. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys.